Good afternoon. It's July 8th, and we are going to be looking at Pastileire here from the greenhouse. This one's been in the fridge since yesterday. This one I picked today. We're going to cut them open, see what they look like. This is really soft. You can see it's like the neck's about to break out of it. So it's going to be really good, that's for sure. It does look good too. See what this other one looks like. Yeah, they're consistent, ain't they? It is definitely loaded up. Pastileire. Got some creaminess to it. Kind of creamy and sweet. Got a light plum type flavor. Taste some plum in there. But it is good and juicy. It does not seem to... If you let it get this right, but it will not keep in the fridge. It deteriorates. So this is definitely one that you're going to just have to eat. Which I'm good with that. It's, like I said, it's delicious. Pastileire. Thanks for watching.